Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? I hope you're all okay. I'm Vic, and today I decided to come here and record this video very quickly just to talk to you about the Prostadine. Everybody's asking me some questions, so I decided to come here and clarify some of your questions about it, alright? And I also have some important warnings and alerts that you have to know before actually purchasing it, so stay with me. However, if you watch this video until the end and you think you need more information about the Prostadine, I'm gonna leave the link for the official website just below in the description of this video. Just go to the description box, click on the link below, they'll go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information about it. But stay with me that this warning you must know, alright? So Prostadine, guys, is a supplement that is 100% natural. That means it has no chemical composition in its formula, only natural ingredients, so it has no side effects, no contradictions. Every man can take it, and it promises to help with the health of your prostate. So yes, it really works, all right? So some scientists were working on this cause, and they discovered that some substance that has in the water here in the USA, of most areas in the USA, have some substance that is prejudicing the prostate of the man. And besides that, we know that when men are aging, they can have some prostate problems too, because it comes from aging too. So we have many reasons that can act on your prostate. So here is Prostadine that can help you with these problems, all right? So you can urinate less, because many men has this problem, can't sleep at night because has to get up every single night, all night, to go to the bathroom to urinate, so it will control it. It will also help you with your sex life, all right? So it will give you more disposition to that and help you with any kind of prostate problems that you may have. All you have to do is take the Prostadine every single day in order to obtain fast, lasting, and effective results, because it's not a magical formula. Although it's that perfect, like I'm saying, but this is not magical. It's a natural treatment, so you have to be committed to it and take it every single day in order to obtain these results. All you have to do is take like about 2 milliliters of it. It comes with a dropper, so you can put under your tongue, and that's it. Just it every single day. It takes just like 2 minutes to do it, and you will have your daily treatment complete, all right? Do it for at least 3 months, and the complete treatment is 6 months to have the lasting results. But you will see results in like a few weeks already, all right? I also recommend you to take it in the morning. So the producer recommends it, and I'm just passing it for you guys. So it's recommended to take it in the morning. But if you're still scared of buying the Prostadine, if you think it's not gonna work for you, you're gonna lose your money, I have to tell you that it has an extended guarantee of 60 days. That means you have 2 months to test the Prostadine, and if you don't see any results, you can just go to the official website, contact the support team, ask for a refund, and they will give you 100% of your money back. So that's how much they believe in Prostadine, alright? But I have an alert to share with you, a very important warning. Prostadine is only sold on their official website, so it's not possible to buy it in drugstores or other websites, only on their official website. Remember that to help you out, I left the link just below in the description of this video. Only by this link that you can buy the original Prostadine with all of these benefits that I have just told you guys right here. So be very careful, right? And this were the information I wanted to share with you about the Prostadine. I hope you have understood everything. I hope I have helped you. But remember that you can find all the complete information on the official website. There you can also see some people's testimonials about it. You can see the complete list of ingredients and buy the original Prostadine with some bonuses that has in the website only by this link, alright? Thank you so much for watching until here, and see ya.